So, hello guys, nagbabalik naman ng Roblox Gamer. So, nandito na tayo sa Subscribing CSX. Let's nga naman guys. Yeah, boy! So, hello guys. Kaya katapos ko lang mag-church. Sabi ko na pastor. Practice pa daw ako sa bahay. Na drum. So, kukuhin ako ni Mama. Dati. Pero ito yung bike. Dinala ko yun sa church. Dinala ko yun sa church. Motor. Aalis si Mama. So guys, mamaya na lang.
Britain's alone in the fight. Its survival depended on the fragile supply line stretching across thousands of miles of the open ocean. In response to this crisis, the United States launched the Emergency Shipbuilding Program. 18 ships.
Guys, kakatapos ko lang maglaro ng Roblox. Nakita niyo ba guys? So, edit ko na. Bye-bye.
มันคือมันเค็มข้นกว่าข้างกะทิ
Ay, hindi pala yan.
เนี่ยแต่ตอนนี้จะเป็นข้างกะทิ
Peace up! Subscribe! So, hello guys, kakatapos ko pa lang ako ang dadad.
Which really makes it, and
Papa ko.
I want the public to be aware of this. Yeah, I want them to stop. Not to harm innocent people. And really get lead a decent life. You know? Like I said, karma will come back. You know? If you do good on this earth, I believe you will be rewarded. But if you're hurting other people, you think you can make easy money while the
Laro
rest
pa
of the
ako.
world is working so
May
hard for
Roblox.
their livelihood.
Guys, nag-ano ako, nag-ano ako dyan. Kaya tatapos ko lang mag-church. Sabi ko na gusto ko, practice pa daw ako sa bahay. Na drum. Ayun na lang. Kuhin ako ni Mama. Get-it pa ako mamaya. Hello guys. Dinala ko yan sa church. Dinala ko yan sa church. Sabi doon ni Pastor. Dinala ko yan sa church. Mag-practice ng drum. Kasi yung sinabi ni Pastor sa akin. Bukas na hindi ko alam kung pupunta kami doon. Mamaya na lang. Uwi at ako mag-edit ba ako doon? Ako hindi dad. Mag-ano pa ako yan. I-edit pa ako. Ang papa ko yun. Tapos ko, kinukuha ko. Pinasubay ko. Umupo ko yun si papa ko. Makandaan siya. Tapos ko.
Do good on this earth, I believe you will be rewarded.
Pupunta.
But if you're hurting other people, you think you can make easy money while the
Laro
rest
pa
of the
ako.
world is working so
May
hard for
Roblox.
their livelihood.
Guys, kakatapos ko na dyan. Laro pa ako dyan. Diba guys? So, edit ko na. Bye-bye.
เค็มข้นกว่า5 นาที
Hindi pala yan. Bye-bye. Peace up. Peace up. Peace up. Subscribe.
At saka
Britain
ipinaramdam
is
na
alone
namin
in the
tayo
fight.
sa pagpa-perform.
Its survival depended on the fragile supply lines stretched across thousands of miles of the open
Ay
ocean.
si Roger
In
Jesus.
response to this crisis, the United States
Ibang-ibang
launched
lako.
emergency ships
Bye-bye.
18 ships